The Illinois Manufacturers Association is proud to wrap up our 5th annual Washington, D.C. fly-in. The IMA team and nearly 24 manufacturing leaders flew into our nation's capital for 2 days of meetings and networking with our federal officials and their staffs. While the IMA is primarily focused on state and local government, manufacturers continue to see more laws, rules, and regulations from federal officials that can be costly and burdensome. It is important that manufacturers add their voice and be heard in the halls of democracy so that we can maintain America's competitiveness in the world. The IMA delegation met with U.S. Senators Dick Durbin and Tammy Duckworth, the majority of the Illinois congressional delegation, senior White House officials from the National Economic Council and Made in America office, and the National Association of Manufacturers. We even enjoyed a reception on the speaker's private balcony and a reception and dinner overlooking the Capitol. This annual event allows our federal officials to hear directly from manufacturers on issues like fixing Section 174, research and development expensing, immigration and labor laws, education and workforce development, tax policy, and environmental regulations. Thank you to the members who joined us this year, and especially to our sponsors. We'll be back in Washington, D.C. in September 2024, so stay tuned for sponsorship and registration information.